Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do mermaid braid. So please keep watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Grab two sections of your hair and bring them low in the back, then grab an elastic and tie them together. Now what you want to do is pick up this ponytail and you just want to flip it. Now I'm just gonna grab some of these pieces and pull them out. I'm gonna grab some more hair and I'm not going to pick up this center ponytail, as you can see. Then take an elastic and tie these together as well. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm just going to take this little ponytail and flip it, and then I'm gonna grab some little pieces of my hair from this ponytail and pull them out. So this is essentially the braid. We are just going to repeat this all the way down.
Yo te pido me lo traes, no te pierdas de lo